Hi everyone. Today we are whipping up a refreshing smoothie using two amazing fruits straight from our backyard. A Kyogle soursop and a Mahachanook mango. We've chilled them in the fridge overnight to make them extra refreshing. For this smoothie, you'll need 1 cup of mango, any variety, but we're using our homegrown Mahachanook, 1 cup of soursop, make sure to remove the seeds, and 2 cups of ice. You may also add half a cup of coconut milk to make it creamier, and 1 tablespoon of honey or coconut sugar to sweeten the smoothie further. First, let's prep the soursop by removing the seeds and scooping out the pulp. It's a little fibrous, so take your time. Then we'll slice the mango and scoop out the flesh. This variety has a super thin seed, so we'll use the whole mango. Here we have our 1 cup of soursop pulp and 1 cup of mango pulp. Now let's blend. Toss in the soursop, mango, and ice. Then blend it until smooth. And there you have it, a delicious smoothie perfect for a hot day, let alone any day. Cheers!